Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the game and link your account so progress is preserved. Once done, collect the essential resources, units, gold, and free champion slots, because the activation consumes them immediately. Next, open the event page for Victory Shield and read the specific entry requirements. Make sure you meet level, alliance, or champion restrictions. Finally, position a primary champion ready for the first encounter, and note any timed windows or cooldowns that affect activation. Now you perform the detailed execution. Choose eligible champions with the right synergies and resistances, and equip mastery and artifacts that maximize survivability. These small adjustments change outcomes. Once chosen, apply any temporary boosts you saved. Short, targeted boosts outperform broad ones in a single run. Then enter the event, select the optimal path that avoids lethal nodes, and pace your fights. Bait heavy hits, punish recoverable openings, and manage power bars to prevent losing momentum mid-run. Finish the final node cleanly and claim the Victory Shield reward right away. Prizes sometimes require manual confirmation. Once claimed, assign the shield to the correct account or clan slot and verify the active timer and icon on your profile to confirm successful activation. If the shield fails to appear, try a quick troubleshooting step. Clear the game cache and restart the client, then relog into your linked account. If problems persist, collect screenshots and contact support for account-side resolution. This speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.